Peace and blessings, everyone. This is Lasagna with the Goddess Key. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020, the day of the moon, the day of the Divine Mother Goddess. And the card that was pulled today is Tea Leaves, Foresight. And the card reads, the tea leaf cards bring you remembrance of the old ways of the soothsayer, who, in time imbued with magic and mystery, could capture a glimpse of the future in shapes that forms in one's cups. Now it is time for you to open your eyes and your heart and explore your ancient bloodlines. Whether or not you have Roman blood, acknowledge the sacred work of your ancestors, who will assist you from the spiritual realm. Use foresight and inner knowing. You will be able to read clearly the messages and shapes of what's to come. Additional meaning. Time to heal any unresolved issues in your relationships. Investigate your bloodlines. You have inherited your psychic gifts from your ancestors. Remember magical tales of yesteryears from your childhood. Always look for the bigger picture. Step into your future with open eyes. Relax and have a cuppa. Okay, so that was the message for today. Again, please visit my website, thegoddesskey.com, for any personal body care products. Also, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at thegoddesskey333. And until next time, peace and blessings.